Does your engineering business fabricate in short runs or custom build to order? Are you juggling with spreadsheets and separate financial solutions for your job tracking and costing? Are you copying and pasting from one spreadsheet to another? In fact, with static spreadsheets, most of the time you may not really know if you've made a profit or blown your estimate until after the job is complete and invoiced. Job Commander removes the need for duplication of tasks and gives you access to instant job history at your fingertips. Job Commander is a sophisticated and affordable management tool. Once a quote has been produced, then all other tasks relating to that quote, creating a job, producing a job sheet, purchase order, delivery docket and invoice, as well as posting to your chosen financial system automatically, with simple synchronization to your chosen accounting software. Job costing is a byproduct of this. Assess profitability without any extra effort. With so many variables contributing to profitability, the need for a professional integrated system has never been greater. All done with the minimum of effort in an intuitive, easy-to-use system to help you reduce misquotes and make better decisions. Call us for a personalised presentation at 1800 772 688 today.